Hi, I'm Wayne Franklin, broker and president of Tropicasa Realty. 2018 was probably the best year in a decade for Puerto Vallarta real estate. Strength of the U.S. economy and confidence of Mexican nationals is why. There remains uncertainty in the world, but Mexico is a solid investment for property because there's no debt, no loans against the properties. I predicted for the last few years that when we reach a 12-month inventory level, we'll reach a seller's market. In January of 2018, we had approximately a 17-month inventory level, and at the end of the year, we had 13. This is an excellent time to sell. If you're a buyer, you need to work with a seasoned professional who can strategize your offers so that you can get the property that you want. It is a good time to buy, even when it's a seller's market, because sellers are trying to take advantage of the market and are putting properties on the market that would otherwise not be available to you. Join us at the Vallarta Real Estate Fair on February 16th to learn more. Thank you.